So hello everyone, I have created a PDF intelligence system. This is basically a AI workflow specifically for students. Why I am saying for students is because student cannot pay for high paid subscription that is going on for LLM models these days. So that is why I have created is using Cloud AI and Anthropic. And how can you create it, how you can set up it on your system? It is very easy. This is what I'm going to tell you in this particular video. So I've created this interface, which is a PDF intelligence where you have to upload your PDF. You can upload any PDF. It can be a science, mathematics, Gen AI, any PDF, and then you will get one few instant results options like these kind of options. You can click on any one of them. It will automatically frame a perfect prompt for the AI so that it works perfectly, and then you can even get the responses, or you can even type anything. You will get one typing box as well to get your answers. And as I told you, this is built on top of Cloud AI. Now let us see how does it work. So when it comes to working, this is my platform. So in this particular platform, you can see we have a direct option to upload any kind of PDF. So you click on choose a PDF. You go to your file explorer over here and you can choose whichever PDF you want. Suppose I'm just uploading this PDF, which is related to attention in AI, all-in-one attention PDF that we have. So that is what I'm uploading. Let me clear all the drawings. Now I can click on anyone. Let's say I'm clicking on summary. So it will automatically create a prompt, write a clear, concise executive summary of this document in 3 to 4 paragraphs covering the main purpose, key finding and conclusion. This will automatically frame the sentence because I have added few options over here, like 6 options. And you still have this box where you can write anything about your PDF and send it to get the response. For example, I want to know the 10 main points. So I will just write 10 main points. And whatever you want to type, you can type and it will analyze what you have sent as in the prompt. It will take to the Anthropic and then will generate the response. This is all working on the PDF. So if I will scroll up and show you one thing, that we have a button called remove where you can remove the existing PDF. You can see this is the PDF which I uploaded. There is a remove button where you can remove and then get the new PDF uploaded and can work on it. You can see this is how it works. It is so smoother to work because generally when we work on ChatGPTs or Cloud or any other platform, basically when we upload the file, we sometimes have to get back to that particular chat to go through the, get the responses quickly, right? So that is why this is a separate version of it. Now, how and you can set up is basically this is the GitHub link, which I've added in the description as well, where we have everything. I have added everything in this. Now, how to set it up is I have uploaded this on Vercel. So this is the Vercel link. You can directly click on it and you can use it if you want. So for this, you have to go to your console.anthropic.com and get your API key from there. And then this is gonna give you $5 free credit. Now, $5 free credit means 500 uses you can easily make. You can upload 500 PDFs and get your 500 responses. And you have to enter your Anthropic API key over here and you're good to go. It is very simple. This is built using the React language. Yes, why I'm using React language? Because in Python, we have a libraries. We have to go through the libraries and create the front end. But as I was already familiar with React basics and React DOMs and all creation, so I've created this index.js and one more file, which is app.js. In app.js, I have added all of the things. What are the key things? What is the validation, asynchronous function, reading the file, handling the drop, then sending the message, then formatting the text, how the text has to be formatted. Then one section which I have created for API key setup that also I have done using React. So everything I have added in this file. You don't need to do anything. You just need to get your API and add it in the PDF file. Add it in that particular area which I gave you. It is very simple to work on. Students can upload PDFs, click on the user generation option, API request the send. Requests are sent using the fetch call using the Anthropic API, users API key, whichever you are going to enter. Then Cloud AI processes it and then answers are displayed. This is the 5-step workflow which I have integrated. This is in simple as possible, right? So I have tried to add Cloud AI, although there are many, right? If you want to understand the code very well, then this is the PDF which where you can understand the code, format check first, then test the API call, keys in header, then cheapest model. So everything I have added in this PDF. So I will add all of these details in the description. Stay tuned for the more. Next I have created is the news board, which you all must sign up in this AI era. So do let me know in the comments if you're looking forward to it. Stay tuned for the more, and happy learning. Keep growing.